What's up, everyone? This is gonna be for the new channel, which I'm uploading this on right now. Anyway, so we're gonna be learning KK's language. Anyway, so now let's go on to the first video. Anyways, so for the first word, it's gonna be hi equals fine in my language. So fine, like, all this equals to my language. So hi equals fine, then no equals no, so basically it's the same. Yes equals okay. And then let's equals bye. So like let's anyways. So then just equals stop. Yes, anyway, I don't know what I'm saying now. Anyways, so move equals go. So move equals go. Cat and dog. Cat equals game. Dog equals sword. Then what equals what? So let's equals bye, but what equals what? Then poke equals two. Then you equals son. Now let's go to these sentences we're doing. So first sentence is, what poke you cat dog. So what equals let. Poke equals two. You equals the. And cat and dog. Cat equals game and dog. So basically, let's go to. Hang on. I did that wrong. Let's go. I'm sick. I messed this one up. Let's. So then to. The game store. I forgot go, but this is the right one. And let's go to the game store. Then this one is gonna be fine. Let's go. Yeah, and that's basically all that I need for this video. Anyways, see you in the next video, which will probably be a lot more KK's news on this. Anyways, that's it for this video. See you in the next learning video or news video. Bye!